Hello friends, this is Dr. Abdul Mubin A. Mundewadi from Mundewadi Ayurvedic Clinic. In today's video, we will describe the Ayurvedic herbal treatment of tinnitus. Now tinnitus is nothing but abnormal sounds coming in the ear, and these can be of various nature. It can be whistling, it can be ticking, or it can be some loud sounds also. The sounds can be quite mild or they can be quite loud and disturbing. They can be intermittent or they can be continuous. Now this can be a very seriously debilitating condition, because in some patients the sounds are so severe or so distracting that the patient's quality of life is completely disrupted. So this needs to be treated quite well. Now the causes for tinnitus can be manifold. Just simple wax in the ear can also cause it. If there is a hardened eardrum, that can be the cause. If there is sinusitis or inner ear infection or middle ear infection, that can cause it. Some causes can be there in the inner ear. For example, degeneration of the auditory nerve fibers or the sensory hair in the inner ear, that can cause this disease. The surrounding organs, for example the jawbone, etc., some diseases from there also can cause this disease. And some generalized conditions, for example high blood pressure or simple aging or even thyroid condition dysfunction, can also cause the disease. In fact, there are also some drugs, some allopathic drugs, which can cause tinnitus. So it's quite simple and logical that first we need to look for the cause of the disease and treat that, so that once the cause away, the effects also gradually come down. In addition, we can give Ayurvedic herbal medicines, so to strengthen the inner ear, to treat infections, and to strengthen the auditory nerve fibers so that they start functioning on a normal level. In addition, if some generalized condition is there, that needs to be treated. If there are some drugs are causing the condition, then these need to be stopped as early as possible. In addition to that, some local treatment can also be given. However, putting oil drops or oil in the ear can be done only if the eardrum is completely intact. But this does help to bring about results faster. And in addition to that, rasayan treatment is given so as to strengthen the inner ear, the sensory nerve, the auditory nerve, and as well as to make elastic the hardened blood vessels, because these can also cause tinnitus. So in general, about treatment for 6 to 8 months can bring about satisfactory relief to most patients. If there is little relief or no relief with only oral medication, these can be supplemented with Ayurvedic Panchakarma therapies. These have to be decided on a patient to patient basis what needs to be done. But overall, a combination of oral medication and Ayurvedic Panchakarma therapy given for about 6 to 8 months can bring about very good relief for most of the patients affected with tinnitus. So friends, this is a short description of Ayurvedic herbal treatment of tinnitus. Let's meet in the next video. Goodbye.